Decatur farmer Mike Stamp gets 8 years for crop insurance and bank fraud. MSU is gauging farmer interest in drain tile research. And upcoming webinars can answer your farm program questions. I'm Janelle Brose, and this is Farm News 5.
Farm News 5 is brought to you by Ford.
A years-long bank fraud case involving a Southwest Michigan farmer that has had a ripple effect throughout the agriculture community came to a close this week. Mike Stamp was sentenced to serve 8 years in prison for committing bank fraud and lying to the Federal Crop Insurance Corporation. Stamp will also have to pay nearly $23 million in restitution. According to prosecutors, Stamp lied about how much land he owned so he could defraud banks to get more credit and use the money for personal gain.
The judge hit the nail on the head when he said the fraud was rampant, and he said it was a ripoff of the taxpayers of the United States who fund the federal taxpayer benefits programs, the Federal Crop Insurance Corporation, RMA, FSA, and his characterization of the fraud, I think, absolutely encapsulated what happened here. He really hurt farmers. He used his neighbor's information to pull off the fraud. He used other things. And he really left a scar on Southwest Michigan, which has been dealing with this ever since 2012.
8 others have also been convicted, including Stamp's wife, Melissa, and her brother. Up next, MSU's Institute of Water Research wants to team up with farmers for conservation research.
There's torque. Then there's 1,050 pound-feet of available best-in-class torque. There's towing. Then there's up to 37,000 pounds of available best-in-class towing. There's backing up a trailer. Then there's backing up with available class-exclusive Pro Trailer Backup Assist. In other words, there are trucks, and then there's the new Ford Super Duty, the most capable heavy-duty pickup truck ever built.
The Institute of Water Research at Michigan State University wants to expand its research into conservation effectiveness, with farmers' help. The Institute has launched an online survey to see if other farmers want to take part in a low-cost drain tile monitoring program similar to one developed and piloted in Lenawee County.
We send someone out to their tile drain once a week, and we collect the water sample, and then with those samples, we look at soluble reactive phosphorus, we're looking at nitrate, we're looking at discharge or flow rates coming from the tile drain, we're looking at weather data, and then twice a year, we'll wrap all of that up into a report and send those out to the farmers.
Nunn says if the data collected suggests new conservation practices might be environmentally beneficial, the IWR will work with producers on cost share options to implement those practices. Farmers interested in participating in the confidential research are invited to complete the online survey, which is available at MichiganFarmNews.com.
So we've got to consider the supplemental coverage option, which is SCO.
Coming up, MSU's What Fits Your Farm webinar series answers your farm program questions.
The Yamaha RS Venture TF continues to be sought after for providing high-quality service in a luxury package. The Genesis 130 engine provides ample torque for two-up cruising with the reliability you want for longer trips.
Farmers with lingering questions about which farm programs to sign up for are invited to participate in the 2021 Farm Bill Program and Crop Insurance Decisions What Fits Your Farm webinar series. Sponsored by Farm Bureau Crop Insurance of Michigan and presented by Michigan State University, the series will provide producers with a step-by-step demonstration of an online Excel-based decision tool developed by MSU. Using the tool, producers will be able to enter their operations' CCC yields and FSA base acres to identify the best combination of enrollment options for their farm. Webinars will be held on January 25th and 26th and February 1st and 2nd, and each day is for a different region of the state. All sessions begin at 5 p.m. and will be conducted through Zoom. To find out which day you should register for, go to the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources events website. Farmers looking for help navigating the federal H-2A guest worker program need look no further than Great Lakes Ag Labor Services. Launched as a Michigan Farm Bureau affiliate company in 2015, GLALS is now the largest H-2A agency in the state, last year putting 1,800 workers onto 55 member farms statewide. They are hosting an informational webinar Monday, February 1st to demonstrate how they help bring legal workers to Michigan farms.
We grow 500 acres of all hand-harvested vegetables. 5 years ago, we woke up one morning and all of our help was gone. And that's terrible because it was in the middle of the season, and we tried to get domestic help, and it didn't work out. 4 years ago, we decided to go with Great Lakes Ag, and it has been a breeze ever since. Anytime somebody comes to me and says, I'm having labor issues, what do you guys do? How do you get through this? I instantly say, you need to call Great Lakes Ag because they really give you all the tools that you need.
More information and the link to register can be found on MichiganFarmNews.com. For more news and videos, visit MichiganFarmNews.com or the Michigan Farm Bureau channel on YouTube. With Farm News 5, I'm Janelle Brose. Have a great week of farming.